Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhinis World. In these busy days, everyone needs fast cooking at some times. Today I am going to show you yummy rice made with coconut milk which can be done in just 15 to 20 minutes. Friends, also I'll show you the right measurements to attain the perfect grainy texture of coconut milk rice. So let's make the recipe. Okay friends, our quick and yummy coconut milk rice is ready to enjoy now. Thank you for watching the video. If you try this recipe, please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.